Hey everybody, today I thought I'd just pop on and show you how to make homemade oat milk. It's so easy to make your own milk, and honestly you are better to make your own milk because the milk that you buy in the cartons from the supermarket, it seems convenient, but if you look on the label and the ingredients, there's a lot more in there than milk, and often the bought milks in the cartons, the nut milks and the plant-based milks, they have canola oil or things like that in it. You definitely don't want to be eating that. So it is very, very easy to make your own oat milk, especially oat milk, because you don't actually need to soak anything. And there's a couple of tricks that make it not slimy, because some people are like, oh, oat milk's so slimy. It's not. And the best thing about homemade nut milks or plant-based milks is you can make them as creamy as you want. Most of the ones that you buy, they have very little of the actual ingredients. So if you're buying almond milk, it might have like 10% almonds. I mean, you can have as much almonds in your own milk as you want. It's very simple. We're going to start with some ice. Ice is one of the keys to not making slimy oat milk. So about a cup of ice, half to a cup of ice, 1 cup of oats to 4 cups of water. This will probably make about a little over a litre of oat milk. It's so cheap and so cost effective to make your own homemade milks. And again, if you want it creamier, you can make it more creamy. It doesn't matter, it's fine. Just make it to your own taste. So the other thing I put in here is just a little pinch of sea salt or Himalayan pink salt. And that's it. Now the key to making oat milk not slimy is you only blend it for less than 20 seconds. So if you blend it for more than 20 seconds, you're going to get that slimy feel to it. So you pop it in the blender. You can do it in a normal blender. I always use my Vitamix. My Vitamix is my go-to blender. So let's blend it for 20 seconds. So I blended that for 19 seconds. You can see it's nice and milky looking. And then what you do is you basically squeeze it through a nut milk bag. Look at this, this looks terrible, but I use it all the time. So they start off white, but they don't stay white when you're squeezing nut milk and things through them. And I'll show you the way I do mine. So you can see I just pop it in a jug. That's what I do. I'll bend down so you can see me. And then you're just pouring the milk into the bag. It's very simple. You don't pour it all in at once. I don't pour it all in at once. And then you're basically twisting the bag. When it's oat milk, it comes out pretty quickly. You can see that beautiful nut milk coming out there. Right? It's not slimy at all, like not at all. So you do that with all of your oat milk. And then what I do with my oat milk is I just store it in a jar in the fridge. So it's pretty easy. I will just give me a sec, I'll get the jar. And so I just use these jars, like sometimes they come pasta sauce, you get pasta sauce in them, and look at this beautiful creamy oat milk that you get. I mean, it's amazing. You honestly wouldn't buy your milk from the supermarket. That is it. Like, that took me 3 minutes to make your own homemade oat milk. So I hope that this inspires you to make your own milk, because it is so much better for you if you just make your own milk, and it's a lot more cost effective, and you can do it at home. All you need is oats and water and a little bit of salt. So enjoy that, everyone. Bye.